Here's how Paula made $17,485 on her first webinar. She has less than 1,000 followers and she's never ran a webinar before. I'm going to break down how this offer worked, price points, landing pages, ad stats, and everything from A to Z so that you have full clarity and why you now have full permission to run your own webinar funnel even through us. Here's how Paula made $17,485 on her first webinar. Now I'm going to break down the offer, her ad results, the landing page, and the KPIs that made this possible. Okay, so just to kind of give you expectations, she did not spend that much on this entire funnel at all. She spent $186 in ads and did $17,485, which is a 94x return on ad spend. So Facebook reported 21 leads, $8.90 a lead, $186 spent. She did a little organic push as well, which got, like an extra 20 leads. So this was the math of what happened on the KPI side. For the whole entire webinar, she had 42 signups, 25 attended, which is a 50% show rate, well above 50%. That's almost, if not better than book a call funnels right now. 50% show rate, 25 attendees, 42 people signed up. And like I said, she did an organic push as well. So let's just be conservative and say, maybe yours won't be 50% show rates. You should have a 30% show rate or higher on your webinar funnel, okay? And I'm going to break down for you right now. We're going to hop over to the landing page and the order form page where I break this all down for you. So let's get into it. So this right here is the landing page, okay? Root cause to revenue, how to expand your wellness business in 30 days. Scale your wellness business beyond one-on-one, kind of like what we're preaching, right? Start selling more one-to-many. Stop selling so much one-on-one. It's not as sales efficient, and it causes you to have more people on a sales team that, let's be real, 30-40% bottom barrel people don't even produce. Okay, this Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Okay, full name, phone, email. Discover the proven system that helps nurses, nurse practitioners, and wellness providers launch scalable, gut-focused programs. This is cool because and this is the thing, is like it's very niche based. But what's one thing that I would optimize? I would put these niches. Okay, so nurses, nurse practitioners, or NPs, and wellness providers, I put on the top of the landing page. Like right above root cause to revenue would be the attention and in the niches. So that's one thing that we will change, or we'll do an A/B split test with, because you don't want to touch something that's working. You want to just play with the control. Okay, talk about the 4 benefit points of what they're looking for. Trusted authority, what are some vocal points there? Who's the webinar for? What they will reveal. And then client stories. And the cool part about client stories is that we're telling a story in a client story. We don't always just want testimonial videos or an image of social proof. Stories sell. So breaking down those testimonials in a story-based format is going to help. 3 big takeaways, meet the presenter, and then success story, and then FAQs. FAQs are huge. They will always be huge. I talk about this all the time in my ecosystem. I train my team with this. FAQs are basically like a sales rep answering buying questions. You need to stack this thing with as much social proof as possible. Okay, so they click, they sign up, and then they go to the thank you page. Okay, success, your spot's confirmed for Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern. Here's your next steps. And then you go through testimonials again and FAQs on top of it. So we also added extra FAQs here. Okay, so that they weren't just on the sales page. Also, there's more after they sign up because they're in a different mindset now. They're not as curious. Now they're more serious because they actually signed up. Okay, now on the webinar, I'm not going to go too much through, the actual slide deck and everything, but we build slide decks that do very, very well. Okay, they're very nice. They're very well branded. I'll show you a little sneak peek of that slide deck, but I want to show you the offer. Okay, so this was the order form that we used for the offer page. Master gut health, scale your practice, own the market. Turn root cause expertise into predictable revenue without new certs, endless hours, or tech headaches. That's what we call infatuations. People believe they need, even with our webinar offer, they believe that they need a ton of followers, they need to be famous, blue check mark, all that fun jazz. No, you don't. Okay, so we take care of those things, within the deliverables. Okay, here's what they get. So here's the bullet points that break down the infatuations, the deliverables of the offer, and then we talk about the total price, the bonuses that they get. Okay, an entire 30-day guided, like everything is on this page that is breaking the offer down in complete completion. Okay, and that's why this converted very well. So just want to really give you this, and then also we will sometimes let them pick which one they want. Okay, a cool trick that I've seen with order forms and splitting offers is this is the DIY and this is more of like the DWY plus DFY with access and support. You always give a DIY option because it's cheaper and you could take those people from DIY and then ascend them into DFY. So that helps out a ton as well. So what will happen here is, what I would recommend is if you only sell DFY or you only sell one product, just do a split test on the pricing, give a payment plan. So for example, I would do, right here, $34.97. Okay, cool. You could also have the second option here be $2,000 now and $2,000 in 30 days. You're making an extra $500 and you give the available payment plan. And also you take away the bonuses if they do the payment plan. If they do this option, which is the $34.97, they get all the bonuses and the fast action bonus on top of it, which is better pricing. Okay. And that's a huge thing that we've always done. We've always firmly believed in that because it's this thing where if they're going to do a payment plan, then they have to pay for the payment option. Okay. They have to pay for the flexibility, not just pay for your time, but they're paying in, perpetuity. Okay. So that's what that looked like. Now I want to hop into the slide deck and give you a couple of examples of like really cool slides you could expect from us that really helped Paula crush this webinar. And just so you can understand the validity of how important webinars are, this is her Instagram. She only has 945 followers. That's it. Doesn't have a massive brand. Okay. This is her Instagram right here. She only has 945 followers. Doesn't have 1,000 followers. Has more posts than followers. And she never let that get in her way. A lot of us believe that we need a ton of followers and all this stuff to get the most out of your audience. False. And here was her slide deck. I'm going to break down a couple things in here. Not all of it because I want to keep this proprietary to Paula. But this is like the kind of slide deck that you could expect, working with us. Okay. It's very nice and clean. And the copy's good. And yes, it's 160 slides. It is a very nicely done with the right copy, infatuation, storytelling. Like the branding on here is amazing. She was massively impressed by that. And she's also going to be presenting a testimonial at my Webinars I Convert Challenge on September 13th. But like, this is what a all-around ecosystem for a webinar should look like. So, I want to be able to implant this inside of your business. If you're looking at needing help with your offer and the landing page and the refinement and the emails and SMS and also the slide deck and having the right ads that drive $8 per lead that are getting a very high return, like a 94x ROAS is insane, but results may vary for these kind of offers. And we help you with the order form and the stack. Every niche in business is different, so we need to be able to give you that custom tailored solution. So do me a favor, okay? Click the link in the description below. You're going to see a slide deck that breaks down the Done For You offer, and also will allow you to book a call on the next page, because I know the power of selling one-to-many as far as webinars. I'm doing it for virtual events, in-person events, and Paula here, she had doubts, but she ran with it. We took her by the arm, we gave her the support she needed, and we built all these rules for her so that she had confidence selling one-to-many. We taught her how to pitch. We taught her how to build engagement in the room. Like, we give her all these tools to make sure she crushes it. So click the link below, book your call, and we'll go over a 45-minute implementation call to give you, regardless if you move forward or not, which is what is your webinar going to look like, what price points you would pitch, and what kind of results could you expect. So click the link, book your call, and I will see you on your very first webinar.